Tibetan Buddhist monks have a fascinating ritual, and I'm going to try and copy it in my own way. They meticulously plan out the geometry of a mandala and then pour coloured pieces of sand to create a symmetrical piece of art. This whole process takes over a week to complete, and the goal isn't to create a piece of art. The goal is to destroy a piece of art. The act of creating a mandala symbolizes the path of life, the cyclical nature of all things, and ultimately the transformation from suffering to joy. When the monks finish the mandala, they'll leave it for a while, let people admire it, ponder upon it, meditate on it, and then when they're all done with that, the monks will sweep it all up, collect all of the sand, and then pour it into a river. All their hard work is gone. This represents non-attachment to material things, the impermanence of life, and the transitory nature of everything in the universe. Obviously, I'm not comparing myself to a Buddhist monk, but I have always been curious to know how it would feel to destroy something you've worked so hard on, something that might not even be appreciated by others, but it means a lot to you as the artist. It took me 2 weeks to complete this mandala. I took my time with it, put a lot of intention into it, put a lot of effort into it, and when it was finished, I just sat and stared at it, meditating on it, and then it was time to destroy it.